You are being bullied at work. Your boss humiliates you. Your coworker won't stop. And HR does nothing. Why does this matter? Here's the law. You are not as powerless as they would have you believe. Harassment and bullying are not just bad behavior. They can be illegal. So, today we are going to break down your legal options when you're facing harassment, bullying, or discrimination at your workplace. Let's start with the legal framework. In Canada, every employee has the right to a workplace free from harassment and violence. This is protected by the Canada Labour Code for federally regulated employees. And for the provincial counterpart, we have the Provincial Occupational Health and Safety legislation. Furthermore, you also have the human rights legislation, which covers both provincial and federal. Now, let's start understanding the root of the problem. What is harassment? Harassment is an unwanted conduct that offends, humiliates, or intimidates. This includes verbal harassment, such as insult, threats, degrading comments, psychological harassment, spreading rumors, isolating you, undermining your work. And then you have sexual harassment, which usually constitute unwelcome advances, inappropriate comments, sexual touching. Then you also have discrimination, treatment based on race, gender, disability, religion, etc. Now, what about bullying? What is bullying? Bullying is repeated unreasonable behavior that threatens or intimidates. It can include gossip, exclusion, and over-monitoring. The law protects you from both harassment and bullying, and your employer has a legal duty to prevent both. Now, here are your options. Option number 1, report it internally. Your employer must investigate workplace harassment and violence. Under the Canada Labour Code, employers are required to investigate and deal with harassment complaints, including protecting their employees from harassment, not retaliate against employees who report harassment. Option number 2, file a human rights complaint. If the harassment is based on a protected ground, race, gender, disability, religion, etc., you can file a complaint with the Human Rights Tribunal. Option number 3, claim constructive dismissal. If the workplace becomes intolerable and your employer does nothing, you may be able to claim constructive dismissal and get severance pay. Option number 4, report it to police. That's right. If the behavior is criminal, i.e. assault, threats, stalking, contact your local police immediately. Option number 5, file a complaint with the labor board. If your employer fails to investigate, you can file a complaint with the relevant labor board. Now, how to protect yourself. Here's your action plan. Number 1, document everything. Save emails, texts, and notes about each incident. Include dates, time, locations, and witnesses. Number 2, report it in writing. Send a formal complaint to your employer. Be very specific about what happened and what you want. Number 3, seek legal advice. If the situation doesn't improve after you've made your formal complaint in writing, speak to a lawyer. They can help you understand your rights and options. Number 4, know your limits. If you feel unsafe, you can leave. And if you do, you may have a claim for constructive dismissal. Number 5, consider a workplace investigation. Under the Canada Labor Code, your employer is required to investigate and deal with harassment complaints. Number 6, don't accept retaliation. You should know that it's illegal for your employer to punish you for reporting harassment. If they do, you have additional legal options. Use them. So, here is your move. If you're experiencing harassment or bullying at work, document everything. Save evidence of every incident. Report it in writing. Send a formal complaint to your employer. Get legal advice. If the situation doesn't improve, you have options. Know that you're not alone. Thousands of Canadians have gone through this, and the law is on your side. You have rights. Use them. This is iChat Law, where the law gets real. And know your rights, protect your future. We'll see you on the next one.